Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to repeat something in Python program using the for loop. And before we do so, I would want us to note three things about the for loop. The first one is that the keyword for should be in lowercase. And the second most important thing to know about the for loop is that the line consisting of the keyword for should end with a colon. That is, the third thing is that the statement to be repeated in the for loop should be indented like this one. So after learning those three things, then let's create our for loop. So for I in range 3, we end the line with the colon, print hello world. We want to repeat this statement 3 times, so then we can run the program, and here is the output. We have repeated the statement 3 times, and that's how you repeat, or that's how you create a simple for loop in Python. Thank you for watching, and remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.